Markets have opened online 1% in the green, 16,215. We are above the 4750 mark on opening trade, close to 0.5% in the green for the Nifty. 4820, we are above the 4,800 mark as well on opening trade for sure. Bring up the top traded counters in trade, and you will see a fair bit of real estate for sure, because that is one space that taken a bit of tick for sure in today's session, over the last few sessions. Unitech, Suzlon, the momentum boys are bouncing back, 4%, 5% gains coming in for that one. Arcom has also bounced back. Well, Bharti Airtel, interestingly, 2.5% up post the numbers. Bring up Reliance Industries, bring up IOC, and see how are these two stocks reacting from the oil and gas space. DLF is definitely bouncing back, 3% up. So is Tata Steel. Reliance Industries is a bit flat for sure, 2012. So no, the big boys failed to cheer the market. No rabbit out of the hat, and that one has not done anything. IOC, unfortunately so, down close to 5%. Pull up KN India, pull up Grasim, and pull up JSL, and see how these stocks have reacted to the kind of numbers that came out on these stocks. KN India up 9 rupees, 3.5% for that one. Interesting to put up Grasim as well, 36 rupees, 1.5% up for Grasim. So yes, the numbers are positive and the stock is reacting. JSL is the third stock which came out with a stellar set of numbers yesterday, and that one should have had a bit of a positive as well. Bring up the mid-cap space and the small-cap space also for you, and see the broader markets are indeed performing in line with the kind of green that we've seen for the Sensex and the Nifty as well. These are the mid-cap top traded counters. Balrampur Chini figuring out there without a shadow of doubt. 4% up amongst the top traded counters. Volumes also pretty heavy on that one. Bajaj Hindustan would be the other one to watch out for. Mid-caps and the small caps, stellar rise, 2% each for the mid-cap and the small cap space, and the advance incline ratio should be positive. Let's pull up Bajaj Hindustan and Balrampur Chini and see how are these two doing in trade. Balrampur Chini on expected lines is up close to 4%, but Bajaj Hindustan would be the tricky one, and see if that one is also showing a bit of green on the volumes front. Expect Bajaj Hindustan to trigger for sure. Alright, Bajaj Hindustan is up a healthy 3.5% as well, to 216. So while Balrampur Chini has seen a fair bit of run, it is still in the green. Bajaj Hindustan has been subdued, but that one is showing some bit of interest for sure in today's trade. Mid caps and the small caps, the highlight of the day, 2% up in the green for both the mid cap and the small cap space.